Teeth removed, right, and he was fine after that.
No, it's because she's just always been a fussy eater, always.
She's got small dog syndrome, mate. And she's not even small. No, she's got small dog syndrome.
I've got to keep an eye on the time, so I don't know what time.
Because Georgie's a fussy little arsehole. He hardly eats his food. He'll sit there days, mate. That's why Georgie's so thin. He's healthy as anything. But that's probably because he's not really eating a lot.
Yeah.
Maisie! You're going to steal cows.
It's quite good actually. Food walk. And they've got
And play some music. I think Maisie got a boyfriend, mate. Oh, no.
Maisie!
Hello. Look at this one. Oh my god, Helens, literally like you got 2 dogs now. Blackberry. I eat it. Oh, detect that's not right. Wah! What?
Is she in season, is she?
Yeah, the dog tried going for her actually. What's his name? I need to know his name. If we're going on together, what's his name?
Is he lost now?
Bye! Oh, your boyfriend's gone now.
And she was telling
Maisie! Oh, your boyfriend's good now. Oh, he's good. He's good.
Because I took her back to my house. I said, tell me, I had to take her to my house.
Oh my god! Hello again! Hello. Hello you. Hello. 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 I mean it's still got a bit of grey on it. Oh no, I've got a little like that dog. Oh my god! Do it. Oh yeah.
Look, there's fairy doors around here, Shaq. Look.
What?
People paint doors everywhere.
Doors?
No, fairy doors, look.
Oh no, I don't even care.
Yeah, but look, it's quite nice. You can make them look that way.
Yeah, you're destroying the tree by doing that.
Not if you don't use the setting
No, if you just PVA glue it to it, it'd be a lot healthier for the tree. Trees can do with PVA glue. Maisie! Baby! Hello! Oh. Maisie!
At this point, they need to break it up, isn't it?
Oh, yes.
You're such a beautiful girl. Yeah. Oh, here he is again. Maisie, you got a boyfriend, mate, and he keeps finding us again. I think you're going to take him home. Helen, you're going to have to take him home.
I'm not going to take him out. I'll put her on the lead if he keeps on going on like that.
No, don't.
Yeah, so do not
Oh, he hurt himself.
No, she pulled him off.
Yeah.
Good girl, Maisie.
No, fuck off, you bastard. I don't want your sex. He's going to come back again.
How when they are.
Helen, he's part greyhound. They're arseholes. They tend to be just arseholes. They never leave you alone. Once they found someone, then they keep going back to it. Like me when I go back to Newcastle. I wish I could go back. Can I get a hoya? Can I get a Maisie? Maisie! Can I get a Maisie? Come here. Maisie! Maisie! There is Vauxhall Vivaro fan. Why is there a Vauxhall Vivaro? And a Ford C-Max? Let's focus the state. On a transit. Hey. Oh shit. Maisie, come here! Maisie, come here! Helen! That's Private Bobby, get off! Helen, that's private property. You meant to keep her on the lead in there.
No,
Got a whole 4 truck here, mate. There's a ranger. Nice. Nice. No, Maisie. And a nice Volvo. I don't know why they put it like that. And then a Sportage. How many rivers are here? No, there's one back there and there's one here. There's two. Maisie, no! Maisie!
She's never done it before.
Fucking hell. What she did to water?
She does. If you take her in the boat,
Guys.
You might need to get in quite close, sweet.
No, they can see it, they can see it. Alright. Is that baby mole?
Put him somewhere. Where just because he's going to get trampled on or something.
Oh, I want to think it might be so tiny.
Go careful. Where could we put him?
Hello. Oh,
You got him?
look, I got him in my hand.
Put him over. Shaq, put him over this
Look.
side.
No, wait. He's so small. Ah.
He's going to put him over this side so he's out of the
Put him
way.
there. Oh, baby. Yeah, she was on my finger. That was so cool. It's so tiny. Guys, I'm in the back with Maisie. We're going to see some puppies. Yeah, of course. Would you like to be in my video?
yeah.
Would you like to be? Say hello.
Hello.
Hello, this is Haley. This is the well, yeah, this is a resident in my house now.
Yeah. Hello.
Number 2 out of 3. Maisie. She just sits there. Such a good girl. Such a good girl.
Hello, taxi to 291.
Are you Asian? Everybody's got that sympathy. Well, go on, I can say that too. I've got Jamaican in my family.